I'm Keith Kwan. I was part of the Almond Leadership Program class of 2014. So that was, 11 years ago. In fact, almost 12 years ago since when we started. My job entails managing all the business operations and working with all our different contractors and consultants, as well as managing our internal budgeting, forecasting, accounting, everything along those lines, as well as expanding our operations in terms of purchasing and locating and evaluating potential new, real estate acquisitions, as well as, divesting or selling current ones. The group that I worked with was in real estate development. And in the 80s, 90s, they were